What's up, guys? So I got the pulley kit in. It looks good. The only thing is I bought this Gates power belt, but it doesn't fit on the pulleys. It has different teeth. You can see these teeth. You can see these. This is the belt that comes with it. But surprisingly, they're actually the same size. I'm gonna have to drill where those two white dots are, the guide holes, because they do not match up. Whenever you put the guides in, like these two holes right here, it throws off the where the bolts go. So now you have to drill it. So if you're looking to get this kit, it's a nice kit, but for the FDs at least, you have to fucking modify it, or drill a couple holes. So if you're thinking about getting that, just think about that. What's up, guys? So I'm a little upset because I could be wrong. I think I was sold a fake Gilmer pulley kit. I might be wrong. Maybe Gilmer made like a different set with different teeth. But all the Gilmer kits that I've seen are able to fit this belt. The teeth that are on this belt, they're a lot separated compared to the belt that came with the Gilmer kit, which obviously you can see there. They're quite different. So, and then another thing, like this belt, there's no markings on it. There's no lettering. Like, how would I find a replacement belt for this? That's just ridiculous. So I don't know, man. I think I was sold a fake kit. I'm not gonna say what website it was, but just I don't know, man. Just make sure you get the right kit, because I don't think it's the right one. Another thing is the guide bolts, or the guides, not the bolts, but the guides that go inside here, they didn't line up. I had to literally drill these holes for the guides so that way I can mount this. A true Gilmer kit, you don't have to do that. They made the bolts super long. They literally go all the way through. It's like, I don't know. I mean, I got it to work, but you guys tell me if I should either buy another kit and hope that it's a true Gilmer, or just run this one, because it will work. I mean, the belt's the same size. My whole concern is if I need a new belt, where am I gonna find that belt? All right, forget that. So I'm just gonna have to buy a real Gilmer kit, because this right here on the Gilmer kit actually goes behind the pulley. It won't go with this pulley because this pulley's too small. So this is also another thing. When you put the belt on, the alternator goes here. See how close it gets to the firewall, or the sidewall right here? That ain't good. If the pulley was bigger, it would bring this in. And that's how the Gilmer kit is. So I'm just gonna have to get rid of this shit and take the loss.